Hello traders, in this video we are going to be quickly discussing the ACB Trading Setups. All right, now ACB in trading typically stands for Accumulation, Consolidation, and Breakout. All right, A stands for accumulation, C stands for consolidation, and B stands for breakout. So it's a simple but powerful framework used to understand how markets move before a strong price expansion. All right, so basically the first phase is the accumulation phase, right? This is where price moves slowly within a range. All right, often after a downtrend, often after a downtrend or at a key level, right? So during the accumulation phase, larger market participants, sometimes referred to as institutions, they gradually build their positions without causing major price spikes. So to most retail traders, the market may look boring or indecisive. All right. Then next we have the consolidation, right? So price continues to move sideways, and but this time it becomes tighter and more structured. Okay, this might not be the perfect example, but I'm just using this to explain the concept, right? So note that during the consolidation phase, price still moves sideways, all right, but it becomes tighter and more structured. Okay, you often notice clear support and resistance levels forming. All right, this phase is important because it builds liquidity. Okay, stop losses from traders accumulate above resistance, right? For those that are seeking sell trades, they're going to have their stop losses above resistance, and then you're going to have stop losses below support. All right, so these stop losses accumulate above resistance and below support, and then finally you have the breakout phase, right? This is where price finally moves out of the range with momentum. Okay, so breakouts can happen in either direction, and they are often accompanied by increased volatility, right? However, not all breakouts are genuine. Some are false moves designed to trap traders before reversing. So to approach the ACB setup, traders typically wait for confirmation, right? So instead of jumping in immediately, they may look for a retest of the breakout, right? They may look for a retest of the breakout level or a strong continuation candle. So this helps reduce the risk of entering on a false breakout. All right. The key idea behind ACB is patience, waiting for the market to build structure before making a move. So it's a framework that helps traders avoid chasing price and instead focus on timing and confirmation. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.